right, so we've done a video on this before, and we've had some complaints because if you want to try and do your lights this way,
changing out light bulbs.
yeah, it's tough. But this is, if you do it this way, you're taking all your panels off. But it's a little bit easier if you've got this out, so we can show you what you're feeling for inside.
Yeah. So the point of the video is to show to change your light bulbs while it's still in the bike by hand. Yes.
So.
Had to preface that.
So the first, we'll go to the bike after this, but first thing you want to do is take your plug out, and then this boot comes off. Just grab it by the tab, pull that off.
Yep.
There's a spring clip that holds your bulb in. So it just hooks on this here.
Yeah.
So if you push that, and it opens like a door. And here's the tricky part. Sometimes you get these clips a little crooked, so the light doesn't want to come out.
Right.
So that one actually came out fairly well. If the light bulb doesn't come out, or you can't get the new one in, you're gonna have to loosen this off. Don't take it out, just loosen it off so you can turn this.
Yeah, you can see it.
And then your bulb will come out. And it's tough when it's in the bike. It's not fun, but it might save you an hour or two of pulling panels and putting panels back
And literally
in.
the whole bike.
And the other thing is, when you've got your new LED bulbs, when you first pull this plug off, plug both LED bulbs in and check to see that they work, high beam and low beam. Because it's a real nightmare when you put it all together and you're happy and you turn your lights on and one bulb doesn't work.
That's pretty tough when it's in the bike, though.
Well, that's it. Just pull it. You can just pull this down.
leave
We'll
it
actually
hanging?
go. Yeah, we'll
Yeah.
go and show you right now.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so we pulled our plug off, and you can use the same plug for both bulbs. So just plug your bulb in, turn your lights on, and just make sure both sides light up. So there's your low beam. Where's my high beam switch? So we got both. So check both bulbs before you put them in, because sometimes they get damaged in transit and sometimes they just don't work right from the factory. So.
And I just asked Darren about not touching the LED bulbs, but he said that's not an LED thing, it's a halogen thing, because if you get oil on it and then it heats up and then it cracks, just a side note.
Yeah, so take a little alcohol wipe. If you're changing halogens,
Yeah.
take an alcohol wipe the bulb off, and then a paper towel and wipe everything off, and don't touch it with your fingers.
Right.
Getting it back in.
You pulled the plug.
So we pulled our plug off. Now we're just gonna reach up and pull that boot off. Your seal. So we got our boot off. And then we push the little spring clip in. You can feel it. It might take you a little while to kind of, there it is. And open that up.
Blind surgery.
Yeah. I call it something else, but we can't see it on the video.
Oh, yes, you can. What do you call it?
It's like a proctologist. Yeah, so this one, we're gonna have to move that little clip because this bolt won't come out. So, light over here.
Yeah, the light helps, eh?
Yeah, so you can see it barely.
Yep, I kind of got it in the video, right?
Can you see the screw?
Yeah, actually, there we go.
Just the one. You just gotta just back it off about a half a turn, just so it moves.
Okay.
And we can't both get in there to do that, but anyway.
Get out, Jolene. Stubby be easier?
Like I said, if you got lots of time, by all means, take your panels off and do it. It's easier. It just takes a lot longer to do.
And taking panels on and off bikes is not something you want to do often. Clips break, clips get lost. Another little turn.
Yeah. Yeah, and this doesn't happen all the time. Sometimes these clips are lined up and you can just
I've seen you do this in about 5 minutes, and I've seen you do this in an hour when you had to take the whole bike apart. So it's not guaranteed, people.
There we go.
Get out.
Oh, there you go. trying to turn that clip. Alright. That's already got a... That's LED.
Oh, you know why?
I could have looked at the front. Yeah, that's really. But you know what?
Yeah, you're gonna hate me because you know what? I got the wrong bike ready for Calvin. Hey, Calvin, this is.
That's okay. These are it's a different bulb anyway.
Sorry, it's got to go on that bike. Fuckity fuck.
That's okay. That's okay.
Hold on, this one. Yeah, this one.
That's
Oh no, this is a new one too. Oh shit. Anyways, we'll stop there.
Windshield on.
I know, I fucked up. Thanks for watching.